Hello, my name is Michael Glass from emini-trading-coach.com, where we focus on identifying high probability trading setups. Before we begin our video, we always want to start off our disclosures, basically saying that this is for informational purposes. Any form of investing has a level of risk associated with it. You can lose your money. Any investment decision you make is solely your responsibility. Trade at your own risk. So today, I want to talk about the year that was. Obviously, it's January 1st, 2011, and one of the things that gets associated with this time frame is people begin making their New Year's resolutions, and it's always funny to see how far they make it. Can they make it a week? Can they make it a year? Whatever resolution you have, we want to talk about not your trading resolutions and how you're going to improve yourself as a trader. And so I kind of wanted to think about what did I learn from 2010. You know, the way to grow as a trader is to obviously recognize what happened in the past and grow and to make adjustments based upon the current market environment. And so sometimes we have to sit back and review our trading results and examine which ones are successful, what setups are high probability, which ones are low risk, which ones are high risk. We got to take a moment to reflect so that we become a more effective trader. So for me, one of the things I learned this year is that I had to continue to be a lifelong learner. This year, in 2010, I didn't really go out there to a lot of the trade shows, a lot of the seminars. I did a lot of online training and attending a lot of webinars, but I didn't get out there and network and really talk to a lot of people except for my clients. And so what I realized at the end of the year, I went to a webinar and really enjoyed talking with people and networking with people and just hearing, you always got to listen to what people think. You don't have to agree. More importantly, no one's saying that you change your trading style every 5 minutes, but it's good to be out there and be amongst professionals, be amongst traders, and really get into that culture and get that vibe. And so, one of my lessons learned is to continue to be out there talking to people, both clients, non-clients, whatever the relationship may be, just to continue to be a learner, continue to get out there and see what people are saying about the market and about different trading styles. So, again, as a coach, we can open a door, but you have to walk through that door yourself. Another way of saying that is that a revelation is not a revelation until it's your revelation. I can see something, but until you internalize it, it's still just, some paper on the wall. The second thing, and this really should be the first thing, but, again, we've heard it once, we've heard it twice, we've heard it 1,000 times. The trend is your friend. And certainly in the month of December, it was the market that didn't want to go down. But, the trend helps us to determine long-term direction. It helps us to identify support and resistance. It helps us identify breakout levels, good for entry and exit points. And even if you make a mistake, if you're trading with the trend, it can help you out and make a losing trade a winning trade. So, why people reinvent the wheel and why people go against the obvious, which is the trend is your friend, I don't know. So, maybe this is something that's going to be on every one of my New Year's resolutions, but you got to trade with the trend. And in accordance with that, we talk about this in our video and in our coaching. We talk about multi-timeframe agreement. It's one thing to understand to trade with a trend, but what trend? The best way to trade is when you have a long-term trading, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever it may be, and a shorter time frame, 60-minute, 30-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute, whatever it be. But when those two time frames that you're using, depending on the type of trader that you are, if you're a day trader, you're using smaller time frames. You're using the daily for the long-term trend, and then the 15 and the 5-minute or the tick charts for your shorter time frame. And when they come into agreement, that's when you should be trading. That is a low risk trade. That is a high probability trade. If you're a longer term trader, you want to use your monthly as your long term time frame, your daily as your shorter time frame. When they come in agreement, that's when you want to be trading. That is trading 101. So the trend is our friend, and trade with the trend is confirmed or in an agreement on multiple time frames. Trade when the odds are in your favor. I mean, that's the fourth letter. Why take on trades that are high risk. Why do we do that? Why do we have these urges? Well, mainly because we don't have focus or discipline, but also it's about those fears that we talked in our video. We talked about the fear of trading, how to overcome our fears of trading. One of the main keys of that is defining your edge. Defining what your setup is, that when this happens, I will trade this. And not only by defining it, we're talking about backtesting it, trying it out, so that you know that when this setup happens, 70% of the time it works. So how do we overcome our fears by trading? Well, we know that over time, 7 out of 10 times, this trading setup's going to work. What are those trading setups? Well, we could talk about those. Check out our videos. We got a great free video course out there, and obviously sign up for our coaching. But that's trading. Let the trade work. Stop stopping your trades out. Stop avoiding trades. Find a setup that you know that you've tested it and it works over time, and then trade that setup. Trade when the odds are in your favor. Level the playing field and be able to beat the big boys. And our fifth reflection for 2010 is to be unique. Your number one job as a trader is to identify opportunities based upon the current market conditions. And so that means you can't always follow what somebody else is doing for multiple reasons. The first and foremost reason is if it's not who you are as a trader, you can't follow that system. And therefore, you're messing up the probabilities. You're messing the statistics. So be unique. Define who you are as a trader. Find a system. Find a setup. Don't confuse your setup for the whole system that matches who you are as a trader, matches up with your investment goals, and then trade that to the best of your ability. Now, one of the things that we have to do that is we've come up with a new video series that we want to show you now. So, we have a new website for you. If you just go to www.thecompletetrading-system.com, and you will find our new website where we are going to go ahead and put on a 8-part video series. Once again, free. Yes, we at emini-trading-coach are putting it together, but the website is thecompletetrading-system.com. And we're going to walk you through how to develop an effective trading system so that you will be on the path to trading with the trend in your friend, trading with multi-timeframe time agreement, trading when the odds are in your favor, and being a unique trader because you're developing a unique trading system that matches who you are as a trader and not just taking a black box trading system. So again, the website is thecompletetrading-system.com. And what you'll do is you'll come in, you'll see right now we've got the first video up and ready to go. And when you like the videos here, you'll be updated on when the new videos are being released. So you guys know we're on Facebook. We've got a great fan page on Facebook, emini-trading-coach, high probability trading setups, emini-trading-coach, high probability trading setups. That is a great Facebook resource for you. But again, as we are looking at our lesson learned from 2010, it's really about being unique. It's really about letting our trades work. And so we have a great 8-part video series on how to develop an effective trade system that matches who you are as a trader, thecompletetrading-system.com. Check us out, and we will see you guys next time.